Hello, friends. Hope you are doing well. Thank you so much for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Here we have a question involving logarithms. These are logarithmic equation where we are asked to solve for x. But just before I take you through the steps, I would request you to subscribe, like, and share, and if possible, make a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for your support thus far. Now here we have this logarithmic equation where we are asked to solve for x, and the equation is logarithm of bracket x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to logarithm of x minus 4 in bracket. So to begin with, in this case, we would consider this first part and this part to be like terms because they have a log and this was also log. Remember, in this case, even this one is log of a particular number, but it is visible here that these and these are more like, while one is now the unlike term in this case. So we would start by collecting like terms. In this case, I would bring what is on the right hand side to the left hand side and take this one to the other side, so that we'll have logarithm of x minus 1 minus log of x minus 4 is equal to negative 1. When this one is taken to the other side, it becomes negative. Then whenever we subtract a log, we want to consolidate this side. You see it is two parts, log of x minus 1 minus log of x minus 4. So there are two parts. I want to consolidate it into one thing. So because we are subtracting, this means division preceded this step. So if we do a reverse process of what we have here, it would mean that we have log of x minus 1 divided by log of x minus 4. Because whenever we subtract log, it means previously there was division. And this is what now we equate to negative 1. Now when you have such an equation, in logarithms we call this logarithmic notation. We have two notations, index notation and logarithmic notation. What do we mean? For instance, if I have a number like a raised to m is equal to b, then I would say this index notation. Now you can come from index notation to logarithmic notation by introducing log. Now we say log to base a. Remember here, a is a base and m is a power. So log to base a of some number b is equal to m. So if this is the index notation, this is logarithmic notation. And you can move from one to the other interchangeably. Like we can come from index notation to logarithmic notation and from logarithmic notation to index notation. Like if we have logarithmic notation, to move back to the index notation, we'll take this a, which is the base, raised to m is equal to b. So let's come back to what we have here. Now we have log of x minus 1 over x minus 4 is equal to negative 1. Now take note that at the ordinary level, the secondary school level, when the logarithm, the base is not stated like what we have here, it's normally taken to be a common logarithm. Common logarithm means logarithm to base 10. So essentially, if it is not stated like what we have here, this is actually log to base 10. So this index notation involving a common logarithm. So we rewrite this in index notation because this is logarithmic notation, sorry. So we rewrite it in index notation. Index notation involves now taking, as I had explained earlier, it will be 10 raised to negative 1 now is equal to x minus 1 over x minus 4. Now, from our knowledge of negative indices, negative index actually means a fraction. So 10 power negative 1 is actually the same as 1 over 10 power 1, which is 1 over 10. Then from here we do our cross multiplication, so that we'll have 10x minus 10 is equal to x minus 4 when you multiply this 1 by x minus 4. Then collecting like terms, we'll have 9x. When you bring this x to this other side, it will be a negative x. So we have 10x minus x will be 9x. And we take this 10 to the other side, it will be positive 10. Now positive 10 minus 4 will have 6. And therefore, our x is 6 over 9. And since we have to simplify our fraction, this becomes 2 over and 3. And this is the solution of or to the equation that we had at the top there. X minus log of x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to log of this. Thank you so much for your audience. If you have any question, please go to the comment section. See you soon in the next clip.